Grey Crowned Crane, Balearica Regulorum. They have long legs for wading through the grasses. The feet are large, yet slender, adapted for balance rather than defense or grasping. The sexes are similar, although males tend to be slightly larger. Young birds are grayer than adults, with a feathered bufface. This species and the black crowned crane are the only cranes that can roost in trees, because of a long hind toe that can grasp branches. This trait is assumed to be an ancestral trait among the cranes, which has been lost in the other subfamily. Crowned cranes also lack a coiled trachea and have loose plumage compared to the other cranes. It occurs in dry savanna in sub-Saharan Africa, although it nests in somewhat wetter habitats. This animal does not have set migration patterns, and birds nearer the tropics are typically sedentary.